Welcome to the School of Fine Arts and Communication at Quincy University. Hi, and welcome to Quincy University. I'm Christine Dom, Dean of the School of Fine Arts and Communication. As a new student at QU, we will help you grow and develop your talents and prepare you for your career. Our music program will give you hands-on experience by participating in a variety of music ensembles. You'll be able to perform in front of an audience at our Connie Neiman Center for Music and be a part of our instrumental and vocal ensembles.
Personally, I didn't know that I wanted to go to Quincy University until I set foot on campus. I met some of the professors, I had a look at the department, and it was a big selling point for me. Being on campus was the biggest factor, and I encourage everybody to at least come visit.
We perform at several QU and community events. Class sizes are small and taught by a team of experienced performers and professionals.
Hello and welcome to QU TV News This Week. I'm Sam Hunt.
Our communication program features a state-of-the-art TV studio, not to be outdone at many colleges and universities. Hello, I'm Nora Baldner, Assistant Professor of Communication. Our program is guided by a team of award-winning multimedia professionals. You will hit the ground running with our professional approach to learning. We will get you ready, no matter your interest: multimedia journalism, content production, public relations, and strategic communication.
I just knew whatever route I was going to take with communications, I knew that there was a place for me here.
If sports communication is your interest, our GLVC Sports Broadcast program will put you in the broadcast chair at one of our live sports events. Meaningful internship opportunities will give you real-world experience before graduation.
Our daily lives are filled with media and marketing. The design of those messages make them distinct and engaging. Hello, I'm Gary Meacher, Professor of Design at Quincy University. At the core of our design degree lies a variety of creative problem-solving opportunities to prepare you for your future. You'll enroll in classes that expose you to many different design methods. You'll not only have the chance to work with distinguished academics who are experts in their fields, you will also be able to take part in internships with local business leaders.
They gave me all the resources I needed, all the tools I needed to learn and really understand the programs for graphic design to feel really comfortable for my future.
Our studios are spacious, and we're excited about our new Art and Design Mac Lab, loaded with the latest Apple has to offer. New and revised courses will challenge you. You'll work with community organizations and be involved in service learning projects. You can share your creative work with the QU community in our own Gray Gallery.
That is just a quick look at the School of Fine Arts and Communication at Quincy University. We hope you take the opportunity to stop by, tour our facilities, and meet with our professors. Thanks for taking your time to learn about the Fine Arts and Communication program at Quincy University, where your success is by design.